Hi everyone, welcome to Anvsoft AVC channel. Here is a tutorial on how to convert video to MP3 for free using any video converter. Choose the Format Convert tool from any video converter toolkits and open it. Add videos from your computer to it. After the analysis is complete, go to the Output options. Unfold the Format option and click the Audio tab. Choose the MP3 format. Afterwards, customize the audio encoder, sampling rate, channels, and audio bitrate. Finally, click the Start button. Done. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click subscribe.